Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Devin Karesha Intan Ferdia with student ID 2024-22068 from the Information System Department. Here I will explain the lab report I have prepared, and it's pretty common. And the first one, you opening HTML. At the beginning, I create the basic HTML structure using the doc table HTML and followed by the HTML and body. With the head, second I did meta caption for encoding title for the page title and link reel for style sheet or to link CSS. This is practical one. Season 2 header section. In between the body tag, I start with the header. Second, here I include the main title using the H1 tag and brief description using the P tag. The purpose of the header is to provide the website primary identity, and navigation bar. Next, I create a nav, the navigation menu, encodes several or links, this definition, development, or era. Then links using the href attribute with a hash symbol. That's point to the ID of each section. See, when click, the page will scroll directly to the section. And content section is I use a section to divide the article content into several sections. Each section has the card class so that I can be styled in the simple CSS letter. And the overview. In the first section, I include the title using H2 and the paragraph content using P. And development. In the second section, there is an explanation paragraph. There is an list using YUL online to highlight key points. The multiply era and the third section, I use height 3 for the sections such as the text era, the graphic, and this. And following by you explanation paragraph and this. And the bottom, I did you button using bottom. This button has a on-click attribute like to JavaScript fashion. When the button is clicked, an alert appears as simple from the interaction. And footer. Finally, I create a footer to display closing information such as the copyright notice. And the CSS explanation. And go to CSS. In the CSS, the body section is using to sit. And the primary font, Arial, and light yellow background color in accordance with the event numbering name regulation. And go to header. In the header section, I said I drag in yellow background color and center aligned, and padding to make it look near. Okay, in the navbar, for the navbar, I set a yellow background and center the list. For the navbar, I remove the underline and maybe the text block, and this the card layout. The card class is usually from 8 section with the background, padding, border radius to around 2 connects, and shadow to give the modern card look. Okay, in the bottom, for the bottom, if given to yellow color, no border, and a hover effect when the cursor hover over the button, the color darkers. Okay, and the footer is designed similarly to header and yellow box, lalu in text center and padding to ensure black look the website. Okay, and the run this. Okay, the website feature multimedia history, article with a clean HTML structure, navigation button section, and a card layout for easy readability. Yes. The design uses paired to CSS file with a dominant yellow color scheme corresponding to even number in student ID, and includes interactive button powered by JavaScript. Overall, it means the lab recruitment. Okay, that's probably enough. Apologies for any way mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.